The ASUS ROG Phone is one of the most powerful smartphones you can buy, and the 8th generation, which should be announced this week at CES 2024, is about to get even better. According to leaked renders, the ROG Phone 8 will be adopting a much sleeker design that feels a lot less gamery than the ROG Phone 7, with a matte black colorway and squared off edges. The only elements that really make this feel like a gaming phone are the geometric camera module and a pixelated display on the back. It'll also have slimmer, uniform bezels around the outside, along with a flat 6.8-inch display. With the slimmer bezels, ASUS will be moving to a punch-hole camera design and could possibly remove the front-facing speakers from the past generations. As far as specs go, it's been confirmed that the display will be able to reach to up to 2,500 nits of brightness, support up to a 165Hz refresh rate, and have a resolution of 2220 by 1080. The camera module will include a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel 3x zoom lens. Both the ROG Phone 8 and 8 Pro will run on a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. But while the base Phone 8 will only support to up to 256GB of storage, the Pro could support to up to 1TB along with 24GB of RAM. Both models may also get IP68 water and dust resistance, which is an upgrade from the 7 Ultimate's IP54 rating. Additionally, they'll have a USB-C port on the side for accessories like, for example, ASUS's cooling fan, and on the bottom will be another USB-C port for charging, a SIM card tray, and a headphone jack. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and whether you plan to pick one up for yourself. In the meantime, check out this video next, and I'll see you over there. Adios.